Okay, so this is not going to be a very professional video, but it will probably show you what there's to show you. This is ResearchGate. You can see the ResearchGate, researchgate.net. This is my profile. There's various ways you can look at this, but this is the one that has the papers. Here's some recent papers from the Water Journal, Texas Water Journal there. So let's say I want to add a new one, and I'm just going to add a fake, let's say, research article. Just clicking on this stuff. And I don't have a file, so I'm going to skip this. It's going to be an article. I'm not going to download anything. Title. Just a test. Just going to go on and upload nothing. It'll take me out to this, put in my abstract. Well, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do this. But the issue here is selecting the journal. And this actually is significant because if the journal name isn't in this list, it doesn't add the journal. You can try and type it in, but it doesn't type in. I mean, you're stuck. And I'll show you what that looks like in a minute, but let's try and find Texas Water Journal. So Texas, and it'll pull up all the journals that have Texas in the title. Here they are. No Texas Water Journal. There's just nothing there, and you go to try to put Water Journal in, and add this. It doesn't. Okay, now it wants you to do some other stuff. So I can just go back out, and congratulations, I just added a journal to it, but here it is, no title. There's nothing here. Now I'm gonna delete that in a few minutes, but I want to show you what it looks like if you could put the journal title in. And I already have a window with that in. So here are a couple of my papers that were published in places where the journal is indexed. So it lists it right here in the index of all the papers, and when you click on the article itself, well, here it has the journal listed. Now the alternative, and I'm going to bring in my recent Texas Water Journal articles that I added to the ResearchGate, and here they are. See, there's nothing. Well, excuse me. That's AWARAs. Here are the Texas Water Journal articles, a couple of them, and there's no journal article here. Name here. I'll go back one, and the list. If I can get back to the list. Well, I need to go way back down. Okay, so here, see right here. These don't have it. There's no journal name anywhere. Can't add it. You try and do it, it won't add it for you. And when you click on the actual article itself, there's no journal. And trust me, I've tried to type it in, and numerous other authors have tried to type in the names of journals that weren't in that drop-down list, and they had the same absolute no luck as I have adding the journal names. So that's an example of what I've talked about, and I can only assume that other authors for the Texas Water Journal have mentioned the same thing, although they probably described it in various ways. You kind of have to experience it to understand what the lack of having that kind of material in the drop-down menus. And I don't know how they compile those lists that they use to designate what I assume they consider to be legitimate journals. Well, that's it.